Welcome back to BNC Live. Well, no doubt you've read about the miraculous things 5G cell phone service will be able to do when it goes online January 19th, but you won't be able to use it in 50 airports in the U.S. The FAA gave permission to those airports to create a buffer zone to block the new high-end signals. Well, this calls for an explanation from a cyber expert, and we have just the person. It's Burton Kelso. He's joining me now from Kansas City. Welcome to BNC, as always, Burton. So real quick, for people who don't understand what 5G is and why it's going to supposedly change our lives for the better, please give us a brief explanation.
Well, 5G is basically 4G on steroids. So it runs quite a bit faster than what previous 4G and 3G service does. And so it will allow you to stream without buffering. It will allow you to download those pictures and documents from the cloud very quickly, which is why AT&T and Verizon and other cellular companies want to get this thing started.
So the 5G is the name of the service, and really what that does is just make your phone run much quicker, right?
Not necessarily your phone, but just your connection to the internet is going to be a lot faster. So basically, it's like your land internet that you use at home on your smartphone. So it will revolutionize the world because it means we can work mobile more efficiently with faster internet service.
Gosh, more than we're already doing? Okay. Well, listen, all we're hearing about right now is that the 5G signals and electric devices, it somehow interferes with the airports, the airliners. What's going on with that? Explain what the problem is there.
Well, the problem is last year, AT&T and Verizon spent about $80 billion to have the exclusive rights to this broadband service called C-band. Now, C-band is the sweet spot as far as 5G service is concerned. But the problem is that the airlines also utilize C-band for online altimeters in airplanes, which are used when there's inclement conditions at an airport. So if airlines didn't have access to the wireless altimeters, it means that they would have to defer the flight in inclement weather rather than risk or having the airline risk landing in poor conditions at an airport. Now, as you know, when flights are diverted, then it costs the airlines money. And so they want assurance that the 5G wireless service isn't going to interfere with the altimeters on commercial airlines.
See, now that scares me to not want to fly. And we're hearing that there's 50 airports on the list. So explain how that works, because Denver, Atlanta, Reagan, Washington National, this 5G forbidden list, talk about that. And is it safe to fly if 5G is being used?
Well, it is safe to fly using 5G because 5G has realistically been around since 2019. So chances are, Laverne, you've probably already taken an airline flight and there's been some active 5G signal around the airport or near the plane that you were on. Now, in order to give the FAA peace of mind, the FCC has forced Verizon and AT&T to create a buffer zone around airports to ensure that 5G service isn't going to interfere with the wireless altimeters on airplanes when they make landings, especially when there's bad weather abound. So, in my opinion, I think they should just go ahead and roll it out, which I think is going to happen on the 19th of January, because there's flights all over the world that are in the proximity of 5G, and nothing has happened yet.
Yeah, I'm still a little nervous, despite your optimism. Are we still going to be able to use our non-5G phones when Verizon, AT&T, and whoever start using this technology? Because a lot of people, they're still on the old type phones. They haven't upgraded. What happens then?
Well, after specific dates in 2022, you won't have any choice to use your older 3G devices, as most cellular networks are getting rid of the 3G service. But 4G will probably be around for a while, so you can still utilize your 4G smartphones and tablets. And I think because of that technology, that's why AT&T and Verizon have kind of delayed the rollout of 5G because 4G service is in a different spectrum as far as wireless service. And so airplanes can have 100% security knowing that with the 4G spectrum, then they'll be able to fly without the possibility of interference from 5G.
All right, Burton, you make me feel a little bit better, but it still sounds a little bit nerve-wracking to me. Real quick before I let you go. So when you're on the plane, you still need to power off your cell phone, right?
Real quick, I'm going to say the FAA has never had a good relationship with technology, but yes, that feature of turning off your wireless and putting your phone in airplane mode is still going to come into play.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us. Appreciate you explaining that to us. Have a good weekend. And stay with us, everyone. BNC Live continues after this quick break. Be right back.
Your kindness outshines your highs and lows. Your strength can outlast any bad day because you are